Hello and welcome back to this interesting session on Canva. And today we are going to talk about the latest and the newest introduction of this feature called adding captions to Canva. I think this was a long awaited feature on Canva and should have been a lot earlier, but no worries. Now that we have it, let's find it out how to work with it and how is it like, can you really use it? Is it an awesome thing, or it's like, okay, yeah, good to have a feature like this. Let's find it out. So this is a small Instagram reel size video template. I import a video here of mine, Spotify and Google just. So that's a video, and I want to add a caption to this video. Let's find it out. Once your video gets uploaded and you go hit on text, and that's where you need to click text. And when you click on text, you will find the option called dynamic text and this option called captions here. That's the moment you click here, you get an option, select videos to caption. So since we only have one video in this, so you can have multiple videos and you can choose as to which parts you want to add captions and which parts you want to ignore. But yeah, since we have only one video, we continue with adding captions to this. We click on generate captions. Takes a couple of minutes. So it's a short video, shouldn't take a lot of time, but let's find it out how long it takes. I'm keeping it at the same speed so that you get to see how long it took for Canva to give me a caption for a 1 minute video. And here I have it. Now coming to this. So that's the styling. So you do not get those trending, stylish, big captions. You get simpler ones that does the job of a caption. Okay, now you can make changes to it, you can make edits to it. Let me show you what are the different kinds of changes and everything that you can do here. So when you click on captions, you get the entire script of your video. Now if you think something should change, you can change the text from here. You can delete an entire line, you can add an entire line, you can change the words, sentences, something that's not right, something that's wrong. You can do all of those changes to the script over here, and the changes would get reflected in the captions. So that's the first thing. The second thing that you can do is change the font. So let's say I did not like this font and I want something like this maybe. Okay, I can change the fonts like this. I can change the font size. I can change the font color for sure. I can change bold, italics, underline, and so on. So all the usual text edit features. I can make it all caps, indentation, make it a list, line spacing, transparency, all of this. Then you can also add effects. Like right now, this is the background effect added. You can choose to not have the background effect and I keep it live like this, or I can change it in different ways. Now here is where you can get a bit interesting and artistic to make your captions look engaging. So let's say we choose this neon effect, intensity, let's keep it a bit lower. No, I do not want this. Yeah, something like this maybe. Thickness, let's say this. I change the font to maybe this. So whatever. You get the idea, right? What I'm trying to say. So you can change all the possible differences, changes that you want here to the caption. They would be seen here. Once that is done, you can obviously do a little bit of animation added to it, but not that an interesting thing. Spotify and Google. Then the position, obviously you can change the positions, and now once you have done all of that, you can play on the video and see how just did something insane with your music. Imagine an AI podcast that's 100% your music journey, and I mean totally personal. Google's Notebook LM teamed up with Spotify to create something wild. So that's it. Once you are through with these settings, the only problem here is that once you have added the captions and now you try to make edits to the video, like you split the video here, you split the video here, everything goes off the block. So your caption, you will have to rework on the caption. So but the best way is you have the final version of the video created and only then add captions to it. So I would suggest to remove all the captions right now that you have. Or another way of doing this is, so like if you have a final version of video with 4 different videos over here, now you can come to captions after splitting and doing all the edits and everything. Then you come over here and then you click on captions, and then you let's come back to text, come back, no, I do not want the page numbers, I want the captions. So all videos with audio 1, so this generates the captions, but you'll see it would be all broken up. It won't work really well. There might be some gaps, there might be some issues with the caption. So it's preferable that what you do is you download the video or the final version of the video and then re-upload it and then add captions. I'm sure Canva is going to come up with more iterations and versions of captions feature, but for now this is what we have, and yeah, does our job for now. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the Q&A section or in the discussion section or in the community if you have already joined one. Until then, have a great and a wonderful day. Bye bye.